Looks like water runs right through here at times. Oh, this is like a forest. We went from like covered desert to a freaking forest. Kind of changed really quick. Wow. There's some type of landmark. It's Bog Springs right there. Okay. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Madera Canyon here in southern Arizona. We're gonna go on a hike here. Is this the hike we're gonna do?
Yep.
Bog Spring Trail. So
We are here.
we're here. Is that a snake or a lizard? Here, Bog Spring. Let's see. Which one's Bog Spring Trail?
I think it's this one, but we probably won't do the whole. Maybe we will. That's not that far.
Goes up there. Okay, we'll see. See what we're up for. It is the end of April 2023. It is probably 75 degrees right now at about 9:30 in the morning. But it's supposed to get up to like 99 degrees, which I don't know what that is in Celsius, 33, 34, something like that. Quite hot. So we're going to look at these. We got maps right here. So taking a look at the map, we're going to try to figure out what we're going to do exactly. And then we'll head out. Ooh.
Where?
It was in there. Probably what it is. It's either a rat or some type of ground squirrel.
Careful for the snake.
Okay. So, how long is this going to be about? 3.5?
Total?
3.4 mile round trip. We're just going to do an out and back. We're not going to finish a loop or anything, but we're going to make it all the way up to Bog Springs. So, we're going to get going on this hike. I don't know how much elevation it is, but basically everywhere straight ahead seems to be uphill. But the good news is there's a lot of tall trees, so we'll be in a lot of shade, hopefully. Let's go. Now, first big wildlife we've seen. Got a wild turkey. There he goes. Yeah, it's like right there.
Oh, there's more.
Yeah, I can hear more. Wild turkeys.
He was a lot bigger than I thought he was going to
Yeah.
be.
Was not expecting big old wild turkey to cross our path
I mean, I know they're here, but yeah.
like that. Pretty cool. I mean, another one? Oh yeah. Right through there. Another turkey. Well, let's not cut him off from his friend.
Keep going, buddy. Go ahead.
I don't know if turkeys attack people,
I don't know.
but I'm not gonna stay long enough to find out. So lizards and things along this path.
And sometimes you think they're snakes, but they're not.
Or most of the time, if you're afraid of snakes, you think every one of them's a snake.
Well, the sound is very similar.
Got to our first sign here. I don't know if you can read, but Bog Spring, 1.3 miles left. So we've done approximately what? Less than a half?
0.37. Although I started it a little late.
0.37 or
0.4.
0.4.
Yeah.
And right now, it's a lot of uphill.
Yeah, I'm interested to see what our elevation gain's gonna be.
And our shade is becoming more and more scarce. And then the trail here is pretty rocky, so it kind of slows you down. Take your time so you don't lose your footing on the rocks.
Can't have any rolled ankles.
No. Oh dear. Yeah, there's one over here. It's two straight ahead. There's another one right there. Oh baby. Yeah. So they are aware of us. At least the little one is. But they don't seem too scared. There's a fourth one over here. There's a little baby right there. These mule deer.
I don't know. Maybe.
I don't know what kind of deer they have out here. They do look a little shorter and squattier. Oh, there's another one over there. There's a fifth.
The fourth one.
No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh.
There's two over there. There's two right here.
See anybody that would qualify as a mama, unless that's the adult size.
Yeah, I think they're just a little smaller and squattier.
To help them mountain climb.
Yeah, probably going up and down the mountains and stuff like that. A little different than the East Coast white-tail deer that we're used to.
Alright,
But
2 turkeys and 5 deer.
it was kind of interesting that they didn't just take off. Like I'm kind of used to in the East Coast. If you would have saw a deer, it would have sprinted away. Maybe these guys are a little used to hikers or something. Oh, that shade's nice. Okay. I'm trying to progress this hike forward, but we just keep coming along some cool wildlife and things like that. So, I guess that keeps the video interesting. Ooh, back uphill, here we go. Okay, So we're coming on our second sign here. Bog Springs Trail. This way. 0.8. So.
It's interesting how it's like 0.4, 0.5, 0.8. Kind of like progressively increase your mileage.
So, getting closer. A lot of elevation. Constant elevation. Trying to get some nice views of the mountains. And we're kind of high up enough now, we might be getting some sneaks down where we started. So we're getting there. Hard to tell how much more elevation we're gonna do. So there looks like a hill up there. So we will see. We're just gonna keep pushing step by step. We'll see how this goes. Oh, here we go. Another sign. 0.1. Dead end.
Woohoo!
It's this way.
Yeah. 0.1.
Whew. We're going down. All these trees, man. Wow.
Well, that one big one, I think, took out that other one.
Yeah. Looks like water runs right through here at times. Oh, this is like a forest. We went from like covered desert to a freaking forest. Kind of changed really quick. Wow. There's some type of landmark. It's Bog Spring right there. Okay. Wow. Kind of beautiful in here with the sunlight, isn't it? Here's the Bog Spring. Oh. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Gonna drink some of that?
Nah, I'm good.
Wow.
We made it.
Woo! That was cool. So that was mile and 1.7 miles. And about, do you know what our time was about?
49 running minutes.
49 running minutes?
Well,
Oh, without...
moving minutes.
Yeah, because it stops when we stopped.
It doesn't.
Okay, for 49 total minutes, which is what I wanted. Yeah, 49 minutes. We took some breaks for a few minutes here and there. Maybe 40 minutes total walking.
Yeah.
Give or take.
45.
But,
A lot of different birds up here. A lot of bird watchers come here too.
oh, bird watchers and stuff?
Yeah.
I can
I
imagine
can
why.
hear 'em.
Yeah.
Wow, okay, so we're gonna enjoy this piece for a little bit and get some water, and then we will start heading down. And that is the end of the hike. So that's a 3.4 mile hike. Ended up taking us, what?
Just under 2 hours.
Just
of
under.
stops.
Yeah, we stopped a couple extra times on the way back to put the drone up. So you probably saw those drone shots earlier. So it took us a little longer on the way back just because of that. So this is where we started. So our car's right there. Awesome. So just under 2 hours. You could probably, we did it 50 minutes up, about an hour on the way back, but you could probably do it a little faster than that on the way back. A lot of uphill, a lot of rocks, stuff like that. Probably pretty moderate to difficult hike, I would say, but not too bad. So that's the video. So if you liked it, go ahead, hit the like button. And subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Comment if you have any comments or questions. Anything you want to know. There's plenty other hikes in this area and this park that we can do, so we might come back here again later. So until then, we will see you in the next one.